Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Apart from the technical elements, are the things you say in Ask the Guitar Coach also for bass? So yes, that's a good question. Basically, the vast majority of the advice that I will give in Ask the Guitar Coach episodes are relevant to pretty much all instruments, especially contemporary modern electric instruments. So if someone is playing bass, will definitely learn a lot from the advice given in this channel. Why is that the case? The guitar is a very different instrument from the bass. Both of them have strings, both of them have frets. They're similarly tuned in most cases, but why is it very, very different? The technique is very different, the size of the instrument is different, the size of the frets, the stuff you play, even though you have exactly the same structure on the fretboard. So why the similarity? Why do I say it's similar? It's quite simple. It's the human brain. The human brain is the same whether you're playing guitar, whether you play bass, or whether you play keyboards, or whether you play drums. So the same brain is prone to the same kind of errors, both in judgment and systemic errors on the way of thinking, no matter what instruments you play. And that's exactly the reason why the coaching advice translates very, very well from one instrument to the next. Obviously, specific technical things will be different between different instruments. There are techniques in guitar that don't translate well in the bass and vice versa. But everything that has to do with mindset, on the way to practice, how to stay motivated, everything else will translate very, very well, and actually it's usually totally identical. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Bye bye.